So for the DEH 3000R, the R stands for remote sensor. And this can be mounted 100 feet away, but what you need to do is run wires from these 4 wires to the pigtail or the wires that come with the DEH 3000. If you don't have this connected, you can see that you'll get 2 dashes and it won't be able to sense the temperature. So that tells you it cannot sense your humidity and temperature of that space. So these simply get connected color for color, black to black, red to red, green to green, and yellow to yellow. And we have just made these connections at these 2 pigtails for a demonstration, but this wire from here can go to wherever you want to mount your sensor. But as you can see now, you have a humidity and a temperature reading that indicates wherever this puck is mounted, that's what that humidity and temperature is.